Hi friends and welcome back. Welcome to Jewelry with Jen. I'm so glad to have everybody here today. Thank you so much for popping in. I have a collaboration with Beebeecraft I want to share with you guys today. I received an order from them and I'm going to jump into it. We're going to do an unboxing and see what I've got. And don't forget to click that like, hit the subscribe button if you're not already, and you can always save my videos for later, share them with others, hit the notification bell if you'd like, and always give me comments if you feel the need. So we're going to do an unboxing and see what I have. As I said, I have a collaboration with Beebeecraft, and so they send me some of their products at no cost to me to review their product, and then give me a nice discount code to pay forward to all of my subscribers. And so what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it. We've gotten them later in the week, and in the coming week here, we're going to go ahead and do some projects and see what we can come up with what we've got here. Just so that you also know, don't forget that down in the description box, I will put a link to all these products. So if anything that you see you like, you can always click the link and it'll direct you right over to their store to grab these products. And if you want to just go over to Beebeecraft by clicking the link, don't forget to use the coupon code that is listed in the description box. It's good for 10% off your order. So let's see what we have going on here, guys. So I have just a few select things that I thought would be interesting to try out. And so far, I really like what I'm seeing. First and foremost, guys, Paperclip Chain. I had been looking for some Paperclip Chain for a while, but I wanted it in a different color. So what we've got here is some Paperclip Chain, and it is an antique bronze, and it is lead and cadmium free, and it is 9mm. And I love it. I love this. Oh, it's so soft. And this one is this soldered? I think it might be soldered, which is great. So that gives us a little more security. I don't think it's open link. I think it's soldered, guys. But anyway, so it's really soft. I like it. It's really, really nice. And I love this antique bronze getting into the fall. So a really, really nice product. And it's like got almost like a matte feel to it. It's so super soft. And I also love that it is lead free and cadmium free. So we've got some Paperclip Chain. Okay, I'm not mad at that. I like it. Okay, let's just go right on down the line here. Then what I have here, guys, is I wanted to pick up some Moonstone, and these are Moonstone gemstones, and they are in what they call milky white or milky creamy white. And let me stop rattling, sorry, rattling the loud packaging. At any rate, guys, these are a milk white, and they are 5mm, approximately 5mm nuggets. And I just really love nugget beads, as you guys know. You know, and I wanted to see what these would be like in the white. And you know what? I really like it. I really like them. Look at the inclusions in those beads. Those are fantastic. Love these, you guys. They're really super sweet. And I love the color. Some of them, you know, are more of an opaque. Some are more of a transparent. Look at these here. Oh, that is so cool. So these are beautiful. Yeah, I like these. Very, very pretty. Can't wait to get into making something with those. I'm thinking a lanyard again or something. I don't know. We'll figure something fun out. Anyway, so these are really, really pretty, guys. Moonstone and milk white 5mm nuggets. Love those. The next gemstone that I ordered was Jasper. And so let's just get these out of the rattling noisy packaging. And see what we've got going on here. So these guys are 9mm by 5mm, and they are African turquoise is the color of these Jasper, and oh my gosh, and they are column beads, and they are, or column shape, excuse me, and they are also faceted. Look at these. Wow. You guys, these are sensational. They're so soft, but I like the size. They're not that overpowering. Boy, do I like the size of those. 9mm column faceted Jasper and African turquoise. Beautiful. Just lovely. Just lovely, guys. Lovely. Beautiful beads. Next gemstone that I got was, I got some more Jasper because I'm having a situation with Jasper at the moment. And these, my friends, are 4mm, and the color is Picasso Stone, and they are a matte. Oh, I cannot. So I'm also going through a matte phase. I'm going through phases right now. I don't know. But I'm going through like a matte phase. I don't know. It's probably because we're getting into these cooler months, into the fall and the autumn. And look at those guys. I mean, just look at the color. Again, it's Picasso Stone is the color. And that is just beautiful. And I like the little 4mm. These will make for a fantastic multi-strand. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know. It's screaming multi-strand to me. I don't know. But they're beautiful. 4mm Jaspers. Absolutely beautiful. So those are just truly lovely. Like those. Okay, and then the last set of beads I got here. These are interesting. I think that they're just kind of fun. I don't know. I don't know what we're going to do, but we're going to figure something out. But they just looked really fun. And I thought these would make even really fun, like, bracelets, like even some memory wire or something. I don't know yet. I'm not sure. But these are really fun, guys. And they're 10mm. They are porcelain ceramic. They are hand-painted flowers. And just look at those. They're just... Let me pull them way up here for you guys. Look at how beautiful. It's like, there's like a red flower. There's like these little lavender. They look like little impatiens. And then there's like a green leaf situation. And I like them. They also have a really nice hole, which is, I think it's like a 2mm hole. So these are really great too for like if you wanted to do like some earrings and like a tassel even. Boy, wouldn't that be cute. So those, and they have like a very nice like luster, high gloss to them. Really, really pretty, you guys. I'm digging those. I like them. Yes, beautiful. Anything hand-painted, I'll take it. And last but not least, friends, I picked up some leaf charms. These are actually stainless steel. And let me get a little tray here. These are stainless steel, and they are 18 karat gold plated. And they are 13mm. And they are really, again, really great little... like shine to them, but you know how gold is, right? And I haven't talked about it a lot on my channel, but I'll talk about it now. You know, I'm kind of fussy about gold. I don't like that brassy, bright brassy gold. I like more of the toned down gold, and that's exactly what this is delivering on here. So I'm definitely liking these. They're really cute. They're precious. They're really, really small. And frankly, to tell you the truth, they're just a tiny bendable, which is kind of cool. If you wanted to kind of bend and shape them for a bracelet, you could, but they are stainless steel, so I like that. But that's what we've got. They're super duper cute. I like them. We've got a nice little hole there, soldered on the top of the leaf, so we can do lots of really, really fun things with those. Super duper cute. So I'll put links, like I said, guys, in the box below the video here with my coupon code and a link to all these products. If you're interested, you can pop over there and pick up your favorites. They've got some great deals on stuff, and I do enjoy collaborating with them. They have a really great selection of product. They have really good prices. They have fantastic customer service, and they have really, really good shipping. I get my stuff so fast from them. So that's what we've got, guys. So I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to jump into these projects, guys, and see what we can come up with, make some fun stuff. So until next time, friends, be well.